all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can hydrate your dry and brittled hair with fenugreek and flaxseed. Fenugreek seeds is known as Ayurvedic and it is rich in protein and nicotine. It helps to treat dry hair, promotes hair thickness, and it nourishes the hair follicles, thereby improving your hair density over time. Possesses conditioning properties that helps to reduce dryness, as earlier said. Regular use of fenugreek as your hair mask or rinse can help to make your hair soft, smooth, and manageable. It will also provide hydration to your scalp, reduce flakiness and itching. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is another known Ayurveda which contains vitamins E and omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids helps to nourish the hair follicles and promotes healthy hair growth. It reduces hair breakage by giving your hair improved elasticity, which makes it less prone to breakage and split ends. It moisturizes your hair. The gel-like substance that you're seeing me extract helps to prevent dryness and breakage. Omega-3 fatty acids also helps to moisturize your hair, helps to control dandruff, prevents hair loss, adds shine to the hair. In using this, you can see how I'm doing mine. I cooked it. It got very soft and I blended, and I am sieving this twice because I do not want any residue in my hair. So yes, that's just basically it. So please enjoy the music. Fenugreek and flaxseed slime, as you must have seen. I blended it. I love to blend mine. I like to get the maximum benefit out of my whatever Ayurvedic product I use. So yes, I cooked it. It was soft enough, and then I blended it to get enough slime from it. So in here is a combination of flaxseed and fenugreek seed, and this is the slime that I extracted, and I sieved it twice because I did not want some excuse me, I don't want some residue on my hair. Okay, so look at my hair. Jesus. Guys, look at my hair. In fact, since March I have abandoned this hair because I have been super busy. Look, you can barely see the lines. You can imagine. You can barely see the lines. I abandoned my hair because I have not had time. As you must have seen from my skin, I am super stressed. So I'm going to be applying this slime, cover my hair for a while, then take down this. Oh, let me not put too much. Let's just go. Oh God, it's so slow. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. There you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. Guys, sorry about the background noise. It's this Saturday and I have kids, I have toddlers, so look at the difference. Oh wow, see it opening like it's working too nice. Like I don't even have to stress. The knots are opening up. Just make sure you apply your fenugreek and flaxseed evenly. So we'll just continue applying the slime.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
So I'm going to just tell you guys this. Please do not be like me. Don't keep your hair this long without constantly hydrating and moisturizing your hair.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm making sure I'm applying it all to the tips. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't want to.
The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover my hair with a nylon. If you don't have a nylon, please use a shower cap. I don't know where my shower cap is. Seriously. And when I go to the market, I don't remember to buy. So I'm going to use a nylon to do this. So yes, I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and I'll come back to take it off and loosen my hair. So I'll see you in 10 minutes.